Welcome to my channel at Magwheel Repair Service. We got 2023 Volkswagen electrical car. Had a puncture on the tire. Customer came in to repair. I will show you the puncture right away. Follow me. So this is the tire. It had nailed right up here and it is leaking air. So this nail is very close to the sidewall, is almost on the sidewall. Some places try to repair this puncture, but this is extremely dangerous. So you should not repair the puncture if nail is right here. The reason why, I'll show you. So this is the patch puncture, looks like. So it got a mushroom, it got a plug. So you have to drill the hole like this thick and then you can put a patch on. So if that place have a patch right up here, it comes on the sidewall. There is no patch would stick on the sidewall, will come off completely. And because you drill the hole, you made the hole slightly bigger to put this mushroom plug in, the whole air will come off from right there hole, and it is extremely dangerous. Imagine your family, you yourself, your kids sitting in the car and driving with the puncture and it start leaking air from there. It can be a big disaster, so just don't go there. Follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, subscribe this channel on YouTube, the link is below. I'm waiting for you here. We don't do any dodgy stuff. We repair it. If we cannot repair, we replace the tire as long as customer is happy. See you in the next video.